Hey, this is Mr. Woodward. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple electric motor. So first, I'm going to start with a battery that's got paper clips twirled and attached to the two ends of a D-cell battery, and I'm going to place some magnets on top of that. I'm going to put it down on a ruler so that it doesn't roll over. And then I've got a coil of magnet wire I've looped. You can loop it around the battery to help you create it. So if you have a fresh battery, you can just loop the wire around the battery and then pull it off. And then take the two ends, right, and loop it around this end, loop it around that end to secure the loop. And then you're going to need to take some scissors or some sandpaper and scrape off the insulation from the loop. So this green color is an enamel coating that you need to scrape off. It acts as insulation. So it's usually green, and then I'm just going to use this sandpaper to scrape off the green. Or you can use scissors. All right, I have scraped off the green plastic enamel coating, and now I'm going to place this in the paper clip loops. Once I do that, I might see little sparks between the paper clip and the coil, but should be running current through the coil at this moment, and it will cause the coil to want to wobble like that. It's wobbling because there's an interaction between the magnetic field that's being created around the coil and the magnetic field that's being generated by this permanent magnet on the bottom. But it's not going to twirl continuously for like 10 seconds or longer unless I do one more thing. And that is that I have to shut off the current from the coil every half turn. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to use black marker, or you can use any color marker, but the marker is now going to act as insulation. So I'm just going to blacken the bottom half of one side. And so this is sort of like adding the green enamel back on that side. Now when that side, that blackened side, is touching the paper clip, there will be no current flowing at that time. And when the other side is exposed to the paper clip, there will be current flowing. So let's see if this helps to shut off the current every half turn. There we go. Pretty wobbly, but it's working nicely. If your coil is not spinning, you need to make adjustments. So I'll show you like some basic adjustments that usually help. So I'm moving the paper clips in and out to change the contact here. That helps. If it kind of goes back to where it was, you can change the direction of these. You can change the symmetry of your coil. You do want to make sure that your coil is really balanced, and then give it a little push. Now I've got it spinning even faster. So you will need to make adjustments. See, now mine ran out, so might need to move things around again. The goal is to get it to spin continuously for 10 seconds. And mine is drifting to the left, I think because that side is like a little bit lower. So I'll want to, again, change the balance of the two sides. There we go. That's a really stable spot right there. And it's fine if you just need to like hold your motor in place until it spins continuously for 10 seconds.